So I've been seeing all these videos of teachers saying, I quit, I'm done, I can't do this anymore, blah, blah, blah. My question to those people and the people still in teaching is, why are you teaching in the first place? I think I noticed this the longer I teach is, if you're not having fun in some way, shape, or form, if you're not having a little bit of fun like every day, then is it worth it? Like, is it really worth it? My current favorite stickers are the banana stickers, also known as banana cats.
Oh. Look closely. Oh, look, 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 look.
So why are we talking about stickers? How to use stickers in your classroom, how not to use stickers in your classroom, and why you want to use stickers in your classroom. And you can go as crazy as you want. You can go dollar store stickers, any kind of stickers you can get your hands on, Dollar General and Five Below. So this week, I've been noticing just a lot of laughter and a lot of relaxed, having fun while we're working. And I want to bring attention to that. I want to bring attention to that. If you're stressed out and you're teaching kids, they're not learning. If they're scared and they're worried about like what is going to happen with you in the room, then they're not going to be learning. So one of the ways to just keep things relaxed is just to remember that you're having fun while you're trying new things. You're being curious, you're relaxed. That's easy to say, but it takes a long time to master that skill. So coming into the week, how are you feeling? Like that first day, that first hour, like get yourself set, see how you're doing, make sure you're in the right mindset to work with kids. Like if you need to take a walk or breathe deeply, you need to feel completely calm, completely relaxed. And then when you're having those moments where people aren't listening, just take a deep breath before you get stressed out. Some people are really good at that. Some people know that before they started working with kids that they were all about it and they could do it. Some people just need to practice that skill. It can be a learned skill, but some people have it naturally. So find those people that are always relaxed and ask them what they do. Like, what do you do as a teacher to stay relaxed, stay calm, and make sure that the kids feel that calm energy also. Doing things that you love and having fun, I think that's a great place to be. All the teachers out there that are doing great and you're doing fine, you're doing your thing, keep doing it. Don't let people get in your way.